What's the meaning of ation? Ation. Ation.
Ation. Ation. The suffix ation is a common ending in English that is used to form nouns from verbs. It indicates a process or an action of the verb, and by extension, the result or outcome of that process or action. For example, the verb create becomes the noun creation, indicating the act or process of creating. Similarly, the verb communicate becomes the noun communication, indicating the act or process of communicating. Thus, the suffix ation is principally used to form abstract nouns that refer to the result or outcome of actions or processes.